Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off running background apps in your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. And then in the left side you will find an option called apps over here. So if you click on that, then you will get an option called installed apps. So if you click on the installed apps, here are a lot of apps into your Windows 11 that are installed. You cannot turn off running in the background some of apps because those are inbuilt apps and those are machineries apps. So for that reason, you cannot install that. They cannot do as well to the CapCut, but it won't run in the background. So some of apps you cannot do it. But lots of apps you can do it as well. Like I'm showing you these apps like called Google Chrome. So if you just click on it in this three dot option, you cannot modify it as well because it won't be running your background without using it. So what you can do, if you just look at this app called Calculator app, if you click on that, then you'll get an option called Advanced option over here. Some of apps you will get it like the Armory Crate, you will get it as well. So if you click on the Advanced options, here is an option called Background Apps Permission. So if you see, there is an option called Let the app run in the background, and there is an option called Always or Bar Optimize or Never. So if you select the Never, it will never run in the background. But if you select it always running into your background, and sometime your performance will be dropped. But if you selected this power optimized, it's recommended. But if you want to select the never, you can do it as well and simply turn back. So this is how you can customizely select which apps you want to run in the background, which apps you don't want. So this is how you can do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.